to control it with the phone. Well, apparently boy, it's really drifty there. There we go. Oh, hey, another one over there. Like, how good is this camera? I don't know how good this camera is. I mean, apparently the app is just for the screen and some other features, so you can, you know, like do certain things like follow me, return home, GPS tracking, you know, things that you can't do with the whatever. Yeah, it's weird. See, you can control some different things. Probably has a lot more features that you use, you know, when you use it outdoors. I mean, indoors I wouldn't do the follow me or planned route or anything like that, but that's obviously, if that's what it can do, then that's cool. And yeah, you know, so now I got the memory card in there, and well, we'll see, you know, like what the video quality's like, you know, and what the image is like and everything like that, you know. I mean, I don't know. Yeah. So that'll be in another video, you know, or whatever, you know, or that's the end of this video, I guess. I'm getting punchy. I've been up for a long time. I got so excited playing with these drones and everything like that. I'm now up way past my bedtime. I should have been asleep hours ago. And so anyhow, that's the end of this video. Remember to hit like, subscribe, punch me here, punch that button there. I'm punchy here. So remember, I like it. I mean, you gotta like me. See you later.